I choose the path few dare to take. With every step, I leave the noise of the world behind. The weight of my pack presses on my shoulders, but in this silence, I find freedom. I carry the burden because beyond it lies peace. These tools have stories etched by time, shaped by my hands. The wood of this box is worn, its weight familiar. Every scratch, every dent, a memory I choose to carry. I walk on because some things are worth the effort. I never cared for what's sleek or shiny. My hands choose wood rough, warm, honest. These poles don't just hold up a tent. They hold the kind of peace that only comes with time. Maybe it was the kind of tent an officer once used, back in the days of war and silence. When I unroll the cotton blend, I feel like I'm unfolding a piece of forgotten time. Goodbye, nylon. You did your job. But this tent deserves something with a little more soul. These days, men are too soft. I just need something I can hit. Everything's too easy these days, too smart, too fast. Sometimes you need to tie things down with your own hands. Goodbye, nylon. It's not perfect, but I made it myself. And honestly, I don't think I'd trade it for anything. Oh, Teal baby. Feels good to be out here, doesn't it? Just sit tight. Look sharp. You were born to turn heads. Oh, wow. Just look at that. A lake for a window. I think this might be as good as it gets. It's just a reproduction, sure, but the old soul's still in there. Folds out like it's done this 100 times before. My mother used to say, sleep at home, where it's warm. But here I am outside, doing this. The motion reminds me of her waking me up on lazy mornings. Don't be late. Don't ruin your life. Or maybe it's my wife at 3 a.m., slightly drunk, lovingly trying to strangle me with concern. Yeah, just keep sleeping. It doesn't fold. It's not light. Every time I load it into the car, I swear under my breath. But this tent, it's just not complete without it. Some say freedom is a mindset. I say, it starts with bare feet. Wind, none. Crew, 0. Destination, unknown. But the captain is confident. The lake is calm, and the snacks are packed. Some say I'm lost. I say I'm just exploring, very inefficiently. Asterisk, asterisk, call it what you want. I call it a successful mission. For now. Hey friend, waters are high, so hold on tight. We're in the same boat now. All right, easy, easy. No sudden moves. Yeehaw. Let's ride, baby. The wind may be sleeping, but I am not. Hold steady. Paddle like the lake owes you money. For now, hey friend, waters are high, so hold on tight. We're in the same boat now. All right, easy, easy. Okay, okay. Deep breaths. Let's move it again. You did good out there, girl. Not bad for a piece of rubber and air. No caffeine, no sugar, no bubbles. Just cold water, and that's all I need right now. Hey, that's a pretty confident ant. But no, this steak is spoken for. And if you're thinking of taking it, you better bring a lot more friends. Not really a drinker. But steak like this? I mean, what choice do I have? anyone can pitch a tent. But hanging mosquito coils, that's wisdom. I don't even like alcohol. That's what I keep telling myself. Asterisk, asterisk. But here we are again. A little whiskey. For the night. For you, for me, and for the glorious weirdness that brought us here. Cheers to our health. And our stubborn little joys. Campter's journey into the past will continue, but don't wait for it. I'll return when you've almost forgotten. Some things are better that way. Unexpected, unscheduled, a little dusty, maybe, but worth unpacking every time.